Friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw Angry Bird. So let's start. First of all, we will make a shape of Angry Bird. It's not a perfect circle, but closely to circle like shape. Now we'll draw the face. First of all, we'll draw the eyes. Beak. Beak is of triangle shape. Eyes. Now the tail. So our drawing is complete. Now we will do outline with black sketch pen. Now black outline is complete. Now start coloring. I am doing black crayon here. Then in the eyes. Now we will do yellow color in the beak. Now we'll do red color in rest of the body. So friends, here is our angry bird. It's almost ready. Finally, we'll do black color in its tail. So if you like my videos, please comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep watching, keep creating.